Namaste friends, welcome to Jewel Buzz Talk series. Our special episode is on Silver Show of India, 2nd edition Mumbai, India's only silver specific trade show. Our special guest is Dr. Chetan Mehta, Chairman SSI, President JAB, National Vice President IBJA. Namaste Chetan bhai.
Namaste, Steve.
Hey, thank you for being with us. There is such a positive buzz, such a positive sentiment on SSI. What does this brand mean to the silver jewelry industry?
Steve, as you know, SSI is the pillar of our silver industry. It's a great platform for the industry of silver, and you have seen how silver industry have been transformed. I think it's one of the biggest platform for the silver industry, people, for exhibitors, visitors, for everyone, both the way, for the exhibitor also, for the visitors also. Exhibitor can showcase the world's best design, visitor can choose the best design. So I think it's a winning situation for everyone. But I can tell you one thing, SSI have given a new thing to this country. It's a revolution what it started, and I can see SSI is the biggest platform for everyone and one stop for silver.
Chetan bhai, we have come to the 2nd edition Mumbai of SSI. What do we expect from terms of exhibitors, total space, visitors? Take us through what we expect.
Steve, it's amazing that when industry supports you in all the way, that the 2nd edition is bigger, much larger than 1st edition. We have around 400 plus companies across from India. They are participating, from smaller to smaller exhibitor to a bigger exhibitor. Everyone got an opportunity to exhibit, and we have around 800 booths. That's amazing. You can see, you're taking a round, you can see Pavilion 1, Pavilion 2, Pavilion 3, it's full. And I think that shows how the silver industry is growing in a bigger way, bigger number. And it's very great to say that around more than 5 lakhs designs you can see in this show. It's a great opportunity for everyone.
You know, Chetan bhai, we are talking of a wide array of designs. We are talking of a wide array of price points. What would be approximately the volume in sales?
To be very frank, more than 350 ton will be on the display.
Okay.
And that's a huge in quantity, and I'm hoping around more than 600 tons silver should be sold in this exhibition.
Now that we have finished the specifics of Mumbai, I wanted to ask a general question. Bangalore, Mumbai, and now Delhi. So are we saying truly pan-India servicing the whole country? SSI, take us through that.
Steve, it started with Bangalore Association, and we have finished 3 editions there, and this is the 2nd edition in Mumbai Geo, and now again 1st edition will start in Delhi. I think this industry is growing by itself, and it's have more demand. We can see there is a lot of gap in this business need to be fulfilled. So I think we are going to all the metro cities of our country, and we'll make sure that we make more exhibitions as SSI, and we make sure that our industry prospers and flourish in a bigger way.
And speaking of flourishing, I've heard so much buzz about silver exclusive retail outlets. So can we say SSI has triggered this trend?
Steve, to be very frank, that yes, maybe people who were thinking,
yes,
let's do or not, they have come to one thought process, thus, yes, we can do it. And I can see a lot of individual stores for the silver, or a dedicated floor for the silver. People are thinking, before they were thinking, now they are making sure that it happens. So I think Silver Show of India is given one big thought process for all the retailers, that silver is a main course of our business. Where we used to think it's a starter in our business, now people have thought this is a main course of our business, one of the main course part of your business.
From me and the team at Jewel Buzz to the entire jewelry industry, all the very best. And to you, Chetan bhai, and to SSI and to the SSI team, all the very best. Namaste and thank you.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Jewel Buzz. I can understand how Jewel Buzz is working so hard in all the field of covering our industry in a very good way. I'm wishing them very all the best, and let's all grow together, make this industry a prosperous. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.